Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Lexicon. Today we are going to solve a CAT 2019 Slot 2 DI set called the rainfall problem. But before we start, let me just request you guys to subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done it yet. So the question set was, to compare the rainfall data, IMD calculated the long period average of rainfall during June to August for each of the 16 states. The figure given below shows the actual rainfall during June to August 2019 and percentage deviations from LPA of respective states in 2018. Each state along with its actual rainfall is presented in the figure. So guys, before we get down to the solution, let me just request you guys to pause the video here and try the solution once on your own, and then we can do it together as well. So I hope by now you guys must have tried the solution once on your own. So let's just take it from here. Okay, so the actual rainfall from June to August 2019 is given us on the x-axis, whereas y-axis represents deviation from LPA in 2018 for all the 16 states. Okay, so there's nothing else given us to in the question, so let's get down to the questions itself. First, if a heavy monsoon state is defined as a state with actual rainfall from June to August 2019 of 900 mm or more, then approximately what percentage of heavy monsoon states have a negative deviation from respective LPAs in 2019? Okay, so let's just start by noting down all the states having more or equal to 900 mm of rainfall in 2019. Okay, so first is Arunachal. As we can see, it has 1000 mm of rainfall in 2019. Second is Maharashtra, again with 1000 mm. Third is Sikkim, then Mizoram, Kerala, Meghalaya, and Goa. So there are 7 states with more than or equal to 900 mm of rainfall in 2019. So out of these states with negative deviation from their LPAs of 2018 are 3 states: Arunachal, Kerala, and Meghalaya. So we already know that to find out the percentage, we just have to divide 3 by 7 and multiply it by 100, which will give us the answer to be 42.86, which is option C. Hence, our answer is option C. Okay. Second question. If a low monsoon state is defined as a state with actual rainfall from June 2019 of 750 mm or less, then what is the median deviation from LPA of low monsoon states? Okay, then again, let's just start by listing down all the states with 750 mm or less rainfall in 2019. Okay, and along with it, let's just start noting their deviations from 2018 as well. So the first is Gujarat. Gujarat has 600 mm, same as Karnataka. Gujarat has 25% of deviation plus uh, 25, and Karnataka has plus 20. Then there's Rajasthan with plus 15, MP with plus 10. Next is Assam with minus 10% deviation. Next is West Bengal with minus 30%. Jharkhand with minus 35%, Delhi with minus 40%, and Manipur with minus 16%. So guys, you can see that all these states have rainfall less than or equal to 750 mm. Okay, so if we just take them into a descending order, so that because we know that median is the middlemost number of any ascending or descending sorted list of numbers. Okay, so we have already put it in descending order, so we just have to find the fifth number because there are 9 states, so we just have to find the fifth, which will be the median. So we can easily count that to be Assam with minus 10 deviation, so the median is minus 10%, and our answer is option D. Okay, next question. What is the average rainfall of states that have actual rainfall of 600 mm or less in 2019 and have a negative deviation from LPA? Then again, let's just start by listing all the states with 600 mm or less rainfall with a negative deviation. Alright, so Assam has 600, West Bengal also has 600, Jharkhand has 400, Delhi has 300, and Manipur has 400. And as you can see, all of them have negative deviations from 2018. So if we just total all the rainfall of all these respective states, we get the total to be 2300 mm. Dividing 2300 by 5, we get 460 mm as the average for these states, which is our answer, and which is given us to in option C. All right. So the last question is, the LP of a state for a year is defined as the average rainfall in preceding 10 years, considering the period of June to August. For example, LPA in 2018 is the average rainfall during 2019 to 2018, and LPA in 2019 is the average rainfall during 2010 to 2019. Okay, it is also observed that the actual rainfall in Gujarat in 2019 is 20% more than the rainfall in 2009. Okay, the LP of Gujarat in 2019 is closest to. All right, so let's get down to solving this. So first we find Gujarat on the map, which is here. So it is showing Gujarat's rainfall in 2019 to be 600 mm. All right, and its deviation from 2018 to be plus 25%. Okay, so because it is given to us that its deviation from LP of 2018 is plus 25%, this means that rainfall in 2019 in Gujarat is 125% of LPA in 2018, which gives us LPA of 2018 equal to 600 into 100 divided by 125, which turns out to be 480 mm. Okay, so now we have LPA of 2018 as 480 mm. Okay, and in the question it is said that LPA is the average rainfall in the last 10 years. So LPA of 2018 is equal to actual rainfall from 2019 to 2009 to 2018 divided by 10. So the total rainfall from 2009 to 2018 is equal to LPA of 2018 into 10, which comes out to be 4800 mm. Okay, so rainfall in 2019 is 120% of rainfall in 2009. This is given us in the question itself in the last line. So rainfall in 2009 comes out to be 600 into 100 divided by 120, which gives us 500. Okay, so now we have rainfall in 2009 as well. So the total rainfall from 2010 to 2018 we can easily have by subtracting the LPA minus rainfall in 2009. Okay, which gives out to be 4300. Now if we just add the 2019 rainfall in this figure, we'll get 4300 plus 600 is equal to 4900, and to get the LPA for these 10 years we just have to divide it by 10, which gives it to be 490. Hence our answer is 490. So our answer is option B. So guys, this is all about this set. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.